All right, so first thing you do, like always, is write your name and class code on the back and flip it over. You want to make sure you do that before you start painting because you won't be able to write it once this is fully painted. We're making a moonlit landscape, so first paint in the moon, just a nice white circle. Then we're going to use these straws, and you put your finger on the back of the straw, tilt it horizontally, and let a drip pour into the white. The straw never goes in the white, and the brush never goes into the dark paint. Now we have one shade darker than white, because what we're learning about is shades and how to make a gradation. I'll make this beautiful gradation that's going to look like the shiny moon. Okay, so now I've done one circle around my first circle. Put in another drip of paint, mix that in completely, and then do a circle around that. We're going to be making concentric circles around our moon. Just like that. And the reason we've got this on our tray is so we don't make a mess on our table. So it's fine. I'm just going to leave it on the tray and then take the tray to the dry rack. Remember, putting your finger on the back of the straw and then letting the finger go to drip it into the paint. Mix it in really well. And it's not going to look like you really changed shades at the beginning. And when you look at the one right next to the other, it won't be very dramatic. But when you look at it at the end, you'll see that you've really gone from a very light shade to a very dark shade. It's also important to remember that you put your finger on the back of that straw. That's how you get that drip. And as you're using up that dark paint, you might have to tilt your cup so that you still get the same amount of paint, or put your straw at a dramatic diagonal angle so that you get plenty of paint inside the straw. Alright, now see how I take my cup and I kind of tilt it gently so that I'm still getting a lot of paint up in my straw? That'll need to happen the more paint you put into your mixing cup. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and speed up so that you can see how this goes and see the end result.